The House of Representatives Quad Committee has no plans to lift the contempt order against former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque, his wife Myla Roque, and others, according to Quad Committee Chair Surigao del Norte's 2nd District Representative Robert Ace Barbers. In an interview on Sunday, December 22, Barbers says the members of the Quad Committee want Roque and others who were cited for contempt to face the probe. Barbers adds that the committee thinks that the contempt order should not be lifted because Harry Roque, his wife, and others refused to attend their invitations and disrespect the committee's rules. Roque and his wife Myla are currently out of the country. In a progress report sent to the National Bureau of Investigation, the Quad panel recommended that the Bureau of Immigration must be probed to uncover who helped Roque leave the country undetected. The committee cited Myla for contempt and ordered her arrest in October after she failed to respond to a subpoena from the panel. She was invited to the hearing after her name popped up in some companies owned by her husband. Those firms were believed to be linked to the Philippine offshore gaming operator hub Lucky South 99 in Porac, Pampanga. The Pogo hub was raided due to human trafficking allegations. On the other hand, Harry Roque was also linked to Lucky South 99 after authorities found bank documents and other papers bearing his signature during the raid. He also admitted that he accompanied Catherine Cassandra Lee Ong, an incorporator of Whirlwind Corporation that leased land to the raided Pogo hub in Porac to settle fees with the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation. The former spokesperson was also invited to the Quad panel's probe but was cited for contempt twice after he skipped the hearing last September 12 and refused to comply with a subpoena on key documents like his statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth and other tax declarations.